I want to model some mains, but before I do that, I want to look at how to create a brand new pipe system. I want to go to Ceiling Plan, 1 Ceiling Sprinkler. Now, on my Systems tab, I'm going to click on my Pipe button. Now I have Pipe Type Standard. I'm going to click on Edit Type. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to call it Threaded. Now I'm going to click OK. Now I want to dig into my routing preferences, so I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to change a couple things here, but then we're going to load a bunch of families from here. My pipe segment, I'm going to click the drop down. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I'm going to go steel carbon. My minimum size is 15 millimeters. My maximum size, I'm going to hit my drop down. I'm going to crank it up to 600 millimeters. Now what I want to do is click on Load Family. I'm going to go to Pipe. I'm going to go to Fittings. I'm going to go to Malleable Iron, Class 150, Threaded. I'm going to hit Control A. I want to load all these. I'm not sure which ones I need, but if something's not working, we can go back through and replace them with whatever does work. Click Open. Okay, let's go down through. Make sure min size is all. For our elbow, I'm going to click the drop down. I'm going to grab my top threaded one. We're going to keep doing that. For my cross, I'm going to go with Threaded MI. Keep scrolling down. Sometimes I miss the bottom ones because I forget to scroll down over here. For transitions, Threaded. Keep going. And for your cap, can't forget the good old cap. M-cap Threaded, grab it. Click OK. Now let's click OK. Okay, for the diameter on this, I'm going to hit the drop down here. And I'm going to go down to 150. For my offset, 2750 seems good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it way down here in my mechanical room. I'm going to come up here. I'm at 9 feet, so I know I'm above my ceiling. I'm going to pick a point about here. I'm going to come all the way down, out to about here. I'm going to hit Escape. Now I'm going to come to here and I'm going to select this fitting. I'm going to click on my little plus sign right here. I'm going to select here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to click Draw Pipe. I'm going to draw this pipe up a little higher so I can service this area. I'm going to draw this pipe straight down into this general vicinity. I'm going to go past that sprinkler just a little bit. Hit Escape. I'm going to select this pipe. I'm going to click on Cap Open Ends. How cool is that? I'm going to do the same on this one. Select the pipe, Cap Open Ends. I'm going to go to a 3D view quick. I'm just going to look at what this pipe looks like. So I'm going to scroll into the one coupling we have. I'm going to set my detail level to Fine. I'm going to click on my Thin Lines button. I'm going to set my visual style to Realistic. Pretty cool. Okay, now we've got a few mains drawn in. It's time to bring our branch piping in. It's not as easy.